Good morning, guys. So as promised, I'm taking you guys along to go furniture shopping with me so we can spice up my place, make it look nice and juicy, make it really sparkly because I love sparkles. So we're gonna go to Bob's Discount Furniture, TJ Maxx, and it is so freaking hard to find anything in here because there's so much. Just want to look at everything. So this is my favorite section, all the sparkly stuff. I think I'm gonna pick up this trash can. And then for the toothbrush, so this one matches really well, I'm gonna take this one. Then we found this sparkly rug. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but it reminds me of Christmas, like cute little snowflakes. My mom's over here trolling, showing me the ugliest things.
In the bathroom?
Oh my gosh. Some people are gonna be offended. They're gonna be like, that's actually cute. This is so cute. It's $22. It's like I can use it for my couch. So there's this sweet old man that was trying to get by me. He said, excuse me, so I moved out of the way. And then he's like, oh, your shoes are untied. And me, not realizing that I actually have slides on, I looked down and he laughed at me. So now I'm embarrassed. So for pillows, I'm getting these two gel pillows. I'm gonna try them out because it sounds interesting. Like nice squishy thick pillows. And then to match that sparkly little rug that I showed you guys, I got some sparkly pink towels. Let's take a quick moment for this mirror. So pretty. As you guys can tell, I'm obsessed with like crystal and mirrors. And maybe I might need something green, planty, so not everything is mirror. We randomly found this gorgeous painting for only $100. So happy because I normally never find paintings that I ever like, so this was perfect. And my mom found this. It's plastic, but it looks like crystal. It's acrylic. And then we found this painting that I didn't show you guys earlier, but it goes perfectly with the last painting that I showed you guys. This one will probably go above my couch. I don't think I found anything at Home Goods. Real big disappointment. So there's a huge fire in the LA and the sky looks crazy right now. It's super ashy, smoky, and it's very awkward vlogging in public because people are like, why is she vlogging? Why does she have a camera out? Heading over to Marshall's. So now we're done with Marshall's. I didn't show you guys much inside Marshall's. Here's a little sneak peek, full cart again. And my mom has another bag. Oh my god, the back seat is looking crazy. I really didn't think I was gonna find this much stuff, but and this is what it looks like from the front. The back is looking crazy. So now we're gonna be heading over to Bob's Discount. There's mostly where I would get my bigger furniture, so I really want to get a nice big headboard. Now you guys can see the atmosphere a little bit better. It's so orange. We have Ashley's furniture store over there, and then we have Bob's Discount right over there. So we just walked into Bob's. Look at this piece right here. It's super cute. Now we're at Ashley's. Look at all this crystal stuff. So now I'm looking for other options before I buy anything else. So I didn't find anything in Ashley's, so we're gonna be going back to Bob's, which I'm happy because the things are so much cheaper over here and they have much cuter things. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy that headboard. So after a long day of shopping, of course, we have to hit up Chick-fil-A, McDonald's. Take notes. This is how many sauces you should give. All right, guys, this is day 2. We've been having a full-on day of going back and forth to like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Target, all of those furniture places. And now my mom's truck is full, my car is full, like to the brim. And here you can see that I have like literally everything stuffed in there, like under the chairs. And then my trunk is full with everything. Like I got a vacuum, got tons of stuff. But if you guys are interested in seeing like all of the little things that I got, I am going to be doing a haul. So this is the stuff that I've gotten. We have a whole bunch of paintings, whole bunch of bags of Home Goods, Marshalls, everything, and then my little Christmas tree. Nice. I'm thinking about putting that right there, but my problem is I want to put all this stuff away already, but I also need to make a haul for you guys. So oh my god, it's Christmas. So now we're taking a break from doing all of that furniture shopping and we're eating some sushi.
So now what?
Now to pee.
That was too much information.
No. Alright guys, that is the end of my vlog today. I'll continue. Right? That was so ugly. So that was the end of my video. Why do I feel giving it back? That is the end of my vlog for this little series for now. So you scared me. You scared me. Anyway, I am going to end this video now. I'm going to go ahead and go edit it so you guys can see it probably tomorrow. Alright, peace guys.